President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. said the government has not received any reports of destabilization plots against him among active police and military officials. In an ambush interview on Friday, May 10 in General Santos City, President Marcos said they have not monitored any movement among current Philippine National Police and Armed Forces of the Philippines officials as personnel from both organizations are not engaged in politicking.
I don't see, wala kaming report na in the ranks. Yung mga retired, baka merong mga gumagalaw na sumasama sa mga distab na ginagawa. Pero sa ating mga kapulisan at siyempre lalo na sa officer corps, wala naman tayong nakikitang ganun na namumulitika ang mga pulis.
President Marcos also said he does not see why a loyalty check would be required of officials.
So, ang loyalty check, hindi ko alam kung ano yung loyalty check katotohanan. Ano sasabihin mo doon sa tao? Sasabihin, loyal ka ba sa akin? Siyempre, oo ang sagot nun, di ba? Kahit na hindi siya loyal sa'yo.
Unfazed by the reports, the chief executive nevertheless called on the police and military to stay committed to their sworn duty and set aside politics.
Ang ano ko naman, kahit hindi mo ako binoto, okay lang sa akin. Basta't maging professional ka, gawin mo yung trabaho mo ng tama. Yun lang naman ang hinihiling ko sa lahat ng police, sa lahat ng armed forces.
PBBM gave these statements after being asked about former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV's claims that there may be an ouster plot being hatched by active senior PNP personnel and retired AFP officials. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.